Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide WhatsApp message content in notification bar. Friends, when we receive a new WhatsApp message, then its content shows up on screen for some time. Like I show you by sending a WhatsApp message from my other number. Now as you can see, the message is displayed on screen for some time. So due to any reason, if you don't want your message to show up on screen, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, press on the three dots. Here press on settings. Now in settings you need to press on privacy. Now in privacy you need to scroll little down and here you need to press on app lock. Now enable it. Now it will ask you to confirm your biometrics by using your fingerprint sensor. Now here in the bottom you can find an option to show content in notification. You can simply disable it. Now whenever you receive a WhatsApp message, it will not show up on your screen. I just show you. Like you can see, now it is showing one message received but not showing its content. So friends, like this you can very easily hide WhatsApp message content in notification bar. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.